Hi, this is Justin with DirectConnect. Thank you for purchasing our dual Cat5 HDMI extender with IR. In your kit, you should receive one transmitter, one receiver, one IR emitter, one IR flasher, and one power supply. So let's get started. I'm going to take a patch cable and I'm going to hook it into Cat5 port 1 on our transmitter side and Cat5 port 1 in our receiver side. Now keep in mind, if you're at your job site, this would be a good time to test in tone and make sure you keep track of which port is Cat5 port 1, which port is Cat5 port 2. You also want to pull your wall plate off the wall and make sure the Cat5 jack is wired to B-spec. So I'm going to take our second patch cable. I'm going to do the same thing with Cat5 port 2. I'm going to hook it into the sender side. I'm going to hook it into the receiver side. Make sure everything's good and tight, everything's hooked up. Keep in mind everything is still powered down. My video source is powered down, our HDMI extender is powered down, and our television is unplugged and powered down. At this point in time, it'd be a good time to hook in your IR receiver on the video display side and your IR emitter on your video source side. Now I'm going to take the HDMI cable coming out of our Blu-ray player and I'm going to hook it into the HDMI input of our sending unit or transmitter. I take our second HDMI cable. I'm going to come out of our receiver, so it's HDMI out, and I'm going to go into our video display. So all of our HDMI connections are made, our Cat5s are hooked up, our IR is hooked up. Let's power this thing on. So first we want to power on our extender. Second, we're going to power on plug in and power on our Blu-ray player. And last, we're going to plug in our display. Now it's completely normal to see video resolution messages come across the screen. Notice there's no dip switches and no knobs or dials or anything that's needed to be activated on our extender. If you look to the left of me, you should see a display pop up from our source. Once again, this is Justin with DirectConnect. Thank you for choosing us. Have a great day.